Stop the drop-off now. We're diving straight into the common intellectual property mistakes that can instantly destroy your startup's competitive advantage. Startup moats are essential for long-term success. But many founders unknowingly make critical IP errors that expose their innovation to competitors. The first and most fatal mistake, not prioritizing IP protection from day one. You're building a valuable asset. Treat it that way. Failing to file patents or trademarks right at the beginning means you miss out on crucial legal protection when your ideas are most vulnerable. The consequence? You lose the right to exclude others from using your invention, forfeiting your market priority, and opening the door for competitor claims. Next, sloppy documentation practices often lead to disaster down the road. Clear records are non-negotiable for IP defense. This involves a lack of clear invention disclosures, meaning nobody can definitively prove what was invented and when, or missing assignment agreements, leaving ownership murky. Poor documentation results in ugly ownership disputes, potentially invalidating your IP, triggering costly legal battles, and scaring away investors. Public disclosure before filing is an immediate IP killer. This is one mistake you truly cannot afford to make. Sharing key technical details, even in private pitch meetings without NDAs, or in public demos before securing patent or other protection is a huge risk. In many jurisdictions, public disclosure instantly removes the novelty of your invention, making it impossible to secure patent protection later. Trade secrets, like algorithms or customer lists, can be your most valuable assets, but only if they remain secret. Failing to implement strong confidentiality measures, such as restricted access and clear security protocols, means you lose the legal protection instantly. Outsourcing development or design is common for startups, but it introduces major IP risks if not managed correctly. You must secure explicit IP assignment agreements from every external developer, designer, or creative contributor. Verbal agreements won't cut it. Without clear assignment, the contractors may legally own the IP they created, forcing you into co-ownership or entirely blocking your use of the technology. To build a strong moat, shift your approach from reactive IP cleanup to a proactive, strategic management system incorporated into your business plan. Remember to prioritize IP early, document everything clearly, and protect your secrets. A proactive IP strategy is the only way to safeguard your startup's future.